Sitting here and I'm feeling crazy, but not just any crazy. It's the kind you feel when you love somebody. And da my baby is calling somebody else baby. And I can't sit still. Look how gone it got me. Who knew my heart could ever prove? You see the scar here on my chest. I'm hurting. He don't even care. It's 4 a.m. and my lover won't answer. Probably somewhere with the desert, sipping champagne while I'm in his bed. It's 4 a.m. and I think I might lose it, 'cause Mark's thinking I'm stupid. He must have bumped his head. Don't he know it's 4 a.m.?